YouTube.
What's up, YouTube? Fishing 2015.
Alright, plop it in there. See what happens. Creek fishing today. I've already caught, I don't know, 2 and a frog, 2. Uh-oh. Get all the way up under there, so that's where all the big ones are. Catching bluegill today. There you go. Go, go, go. Nice, nice. Bring it up here, bring it up here. That's a big one for in here. Bring it over here. Here, hold this so I can unhook
No,
him.
let me hook him. Unhook him. Easy.
Representing the Kobe Bryant jersey today. Push outward that way.
I'm trying. You can.
Here, hold this.
Can't get it.
Supposed to put it in the fish. Alright. Here you go.
Oh my god.
Pick it up. Show it, put it up to your hand so you know everybody can see it. The size. It ain't bad for in this little creek. Alright, I'll give you the release here. Throw it in there. Thank you, dear Lord. Nice catch. Nice catch. There he goes. There he goes. Alright, YouTube, that's what we're doing today. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.